Hi, I'm Brian Harris, co-founder and CEO of MedRhythms, located right here in Portland, Maine. So MedRhythms is a company that helps people recover from brain injuries using music, all based upon cutting-edge research in neuroscience. We all have had those experiences that we connect to music emotionally. It can make us feel a certain way, it can make us happy, it can make us sad, it can get us excited, get our adrenaline pumping. What we now understand about music is how profoundly music impacts the human brain. When we just listen to music that's in our environment, it actually activates the parts of our brain that are responsible for movement, for language, attention, how we think, how we remember things, emotions, and they've actually shown that there's nothing else on earth that engages our brain as much as music does. So I saw the impact that music could have on somebody with a disability. It completely changed my life. And that's what really drove me into neuroscience, was really answering that question of why and how does music have such a great impact on the brain. I loved playing music growing up, and I was a musician. I played the drums and I played the viola. I played in everything from a quartet to the Bangor Youth Symphony Orchestra. As I was starting my career, I was treating patients that had strokes and brain injuries, helping them improve things like walking or improving the way that they could speak after a brain injury. And we were just seeing really incredible results. And so the answer for us to bring this to more people, which is the core of our mission at MedRhythms, was technology. What we're focused on is a product that improves walking. So it's based upon the neuroscience of how rhythm can impact the human brain and the parts of the brain that are responsible for movement to improve the way that people walk. You've probably had an experience where you've listened to music that has a strong beat and you just want to move your body along to it. Well, the reason that you want to move your body along to it is because the rhythm is actually activating the part of your brain that is responsible for movement. People who have damage to their brain, maybe people have heard of things like a stroke or traumatic brain injury or Parkinson's disease or multiple sclerosis that impact the way that people walk. We can use music to activate that damaged part of the brain, being the motor system, to improve the way that they walk. So our product has sensors and software that can collect data in real time about how somebody walks, feed that into our software, and then we use music to help people to walk better. We brought MedRhythms here and built MedRhythms here because we cared about Maine, we care about Maine's economy, but there's so many incredible resources here in Maine for people who want to study science, and they're growing all the time. I felt like I saw a problem. I felt like I had the answer or the solution to the problem, and therefore I had a responsibility to do something about it. And it's incredibly rewarding, and I couldn't think of a better job to be doing.